If you happen to live inside a florist, you could forever enjoy exotic scents. Each bloom's fragrance competes with the others to delight the senses. But in the real world, scents are seldom as pleasant. Even our homes occasionally need to be infused with a fresh breath of spring. Many reach for a can of air fresheners, but those compressed chemicals don't do much good for our health or the environment. In today's video, we'll check out a variety of inexpensive ways to create your own home deodorizer gels, without the risk of side effects. Ingredients: 1 ounce unsweetened, unflavored gelatin, 2 cups cold water, 1 tablespoon salt, 20 to 30 drops essential oils, small saucepan, whisk, decorative heat-proof jars, chopsticks or skewers. Here's a few more combinations you may wish to try. Sweet basil and lemon, 20 drops sweet basil essential oil, 8 drops lemon essential oil. Rosemary orange, 25 drops sweet orange essential oil, 5 drops rosemary essential oil. Scent is strong, so don't overdo it. Fresh pine scent, 25 drops fir pine essential oil, 3 drops lemon essential oil, 2 drops sweet orange essential oil, 1 drop bergamot essential oil. Pure lavender, 30 drops of lavender essential oil. Essence of Provence, 20 drops lavender essential oil, 5 drops thyme essential oil, 2 drops lemon essential oil. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.